Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix speaker not working on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, we're gonna have to check the volume levels, and to do so I think the easiest way is to simply try to increase the volume by a couple of levels and then checking the sound mixer by tapping the three dot icon, the three dot bubble right here, and checking the specific volume mixer in here, either or just try to increase all the levels in here and check your volume once again. And if it's not helping you, then let's go to settings and let's check the sound settings in here. So here we have sound and vibration. Go right here. Now make sure that do not disturb mode is disabled. And yeah, here we also can check the volume levels. By the way, you also can check whether or not you have some sort of Bluetooth device in here. If you do have, then definitely the issue is that your sound simply gets rerouted to your Bluetooth device. In such case, you just have to swipe down the control center and disable your Bluetooth. Now, check whether or not you have app-specific volume enabled or disabled. Maybe this causes some sort of interference with your sound. Also, check sound effect settings in Holo audio. For the best testing results, try disabling both Holo audio and sound settings. So, or just switch to the sound profile to some other one. By default it's smart, and it should be like the most optimal one, but you can switch it to any other and see if it helps you. Now let's switch to hardware checking. So the speaker for the smartphone is located at the bottom edge of the smartphone right here, and in order to clean it or unclog it from some sort of debris that could have get stuck in here, we should use a soft brush, never any metallic tools. Do not put any metallic tools in here. Use a soft brush to gently brush out anything that could have clogged your device's speaker, and then try using it once again. Now, if this doesn't help you, still we can check our speaker's sound in the safe mode in order to outrule the situation when some third-party application is causing our speaker to malfunction. Now, to enter the safe mode on your smartphone, you're gonna have to press power button and volume up key at the same time, swipe the circle up to restart, and when the Android logo appears on your device's screen, wait for about 3 to 5 seconds and start holding down the volume down button until your device is fully turned on. So I think that 3 seconds have passed, so at this point let's start holding down the volume down key and wait until your device gets booted into the safe mode. So right now we can see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen, and no third-party application are interfering with our device's speaker. So right now we can easily check the sound of the device, and if you can hear your sounds clearly now, then it's definitely some sort of third-party application or process that is redirecting your sound somewhere else but your speakers, and so you're gonna have to identify which one it could be in the app settings on your device. If not, then the last thing that we should check is the software update. Sorry, I accidentally opened it. So let's restart our phone once again, wait until it's rebooted, and then we're gonna have to enter settings and check for our smartphone for available updates. Okay, once the smartphone is restarted, first disable the airplane mode, which gets automatically enabled in the safe mode. Let your device reconnect to Wi-Fi, go to settings, go to system and update menu, and then select software update at the very top. Let your device check for available updates, and if you do have an update, then of course download and install it. Let your smartphone restart, and then check your sounds once again. Maybe this is the issue. If not, if at this point nothing helped you, then at this point you should consider a hardware issue, and the hardware issue should be resolved with OnePlus customer support service. So reach out to them and ask them for help. They will definitely take the best care of your device possible. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.